During this video tutorial, you will learn the basic steps for trimming the base of your project during the Leatherhard stage. Leatherhard means that the clay has lost some water through the evaporation process. The clay remains a dark color and still contains water, but it holds its shape. Unlike when the plates were at the plastic stage, you can handle the plates at the Leatherhard stage without worrying that they will distort or lose their shape. There are 3 reasons to trim. First, trimming removes unwanted textures and sharp edges to create a clean, even surface. Second, if your base is too thick, trimming removes the extra clay, making your form feel more lightweight. Third, trimming allows you to shape the foot. All 3 reasons help you to create a well-crafted and aesthetically pleasing form. For this tutorial, you will focus on the first reason, creating a clean, even surface. You will focus on the other 2 reasons during later tutorials. Step 1. Center the base. Because the base may be more symmetrical than the rim, focus on centering the base, not the rim. Use the concentric circles on the wheel head to help you find the center. The more centered your form, the more accurate and symmetrical your trimming will be. There are 2 additional options to help you center your clay. The first option is to hold the needle tool close to the base while the wheel rotates slowly. The needle tool helps you find which side of the base is past center. Locate the surface where the needle tool made a mark and very slightly push the mark towards the center. Check your work and repeat until the base is centered. The second option is to tap the form to center while the wheel rotates slowly. Remember, focus your eyes on the outer edge of the base and not the rim. Step 2. Attach the plate to the wheel head. Roll out 4 to 5 coils that are approximately the width of your pinky. Hold the plate down so that it does not shift off center. Place each coil next to the rim. Push the clay down onto the wheel head, not the rim. Plastic clay may stick to the rim and cause unwanted textures. Remember, hold the plate down. You don't want to accidentally push the plate off center. Step 3. Trim the side of the base. Using an upside-down baby food lid helps you to hold down the plate while it spins. Dampening the fingertips of your non-dominant hand will help the lid to easily spin under your fingertips. Hold the tool perpendicular or 90 degrees to the wheel head. Along with compact posture, your hand position should have 3 touch points to increase the stability and control of your trimming. Take your time and use slow wheel speed and light, even pressure. Step 4. Trim the bottom of the base. Hold the blade of the trim tool parallel with the base and the wheel head. Holding the trim tool at an angle will create a convex base that will wobble. Your plate will not be stable. Dampen your fingertips to help you hold down the plate while it spins. Make sure your hand position creates 3 touch points to increase your stability and control. Use a slow speed and light pressure. Shave away a little clay at a time. Gouging too deep will cause your plate to pull off the wheel head. Pay attention to the thickness of your base. Stop when the surface is clean and even. Step 5. Bevel the corner. Hold the trim tool blade at a 45-degree angle against the corner of the base. The hand position should create 3 touch points to increase your stability and control. The bevel becomes important when glazing. It will designate the boundary where the glaze application should stop. Step 6. Carve your name and block into the trimmed base. No name, no fame. Use a dull pencil to carve your name into the base. Carefully remove your plate from the wheel head. The base should be free of any unwanted textures or sharp edges. The bottom should be flat and stable. Here's a front view of the process. Pay attention to the angle of the trim tool and the hand positions. Here are the cleanup expectations. What do you do with the clay trimmings when you are done? Carefully place your clay trimmings in the white bucket. These trimmings can be recycled or be made into what we call a potter's glue, also known as slip. Place your clay scraps in the recycling table and wipe down your splash pans with a clean sponge. Can you create a clean, precise foot that is symmetrical and stable? Get to trimming.